Good morning, students. Previous class we are learned about acids and base concept. Now today we are discussing another one important concept, salt. In our daily life we are used the salt. Chemically materials we are separated as a acid, base and salt. In 10th class standard they are introduced some different type of salts they are given. Generally, sodium, potassium, carbonates and chlorides are used to the salt family. And once again we are observe the sodium chloride. Its chemical formula is NaCl. In our daily life, everyone we are using the sodium chloride. For example, when we are preparing any food item, adding of lot of masalas and fatty acids, but we are forgotten to adding of salt, then the food item cannot be used the good taste. That's why salt we can observe, that means sodium chloride generally we are saying as a common salt or table salt. Common salt or table salt we are observing, we are collecting from the sea water. One more type of salt also present. That type of salt is collected from earth layers. That is called rock salt. Here salt we can observe NaCl. It is a ionic compound. Here sodium lost one electron and turn as a Na plus ion. Chlorine gain one electron and turn as a Cl minus ion. Here Na plus ion and Cl minus ions both are involved in ionic bond and finally turn as a NaCl ionic compound. Therefore it is a ionic compound. And once again we are observing the salt can dissolve in water very easily. If the salt dissolve in water, such is called salt water or brine solution. Brine solution, we can decompose the brine solution with using of electricity. With the current of electricity, brine solution is decomposed and turn as a sodium hydroxide, chlorine and hydrogen gas. Here such process is called chlor-alkali process. Here alkali means it is a basic nature material. Any base can dissolve in water, then we are simply saying as a alkali. Brine solution decomposed as sodium hydroxide, it is a base. That's why we are saying as this one is called alkali. And chlorine gas, this region simply we are saying as a chloro. Such process simply we are saying as a chlor-alkali process. Just to observe the both side. Once we are observe the chlor-alkali process, 2NaCl plus 2H2O gives rise to, it is turned as a sodium hydroxide plus chlorine gas and also hydrogen gas. Look at the diagram side. This is the formation of chlor-alkali process with using of one simple activity. Look at the diagram side. We are collected brine solution in a tub and we are arranged the two electrodes. One is positive terminal, another one is negative terminal. Current of electricity, this brine solution is decomposed and turn as a sodium hydroxide NaOH and chlorine gas and hydrogen gas. Here chlorine gas can be formed to plus side and hydrogen gas can be formed to minus side. That means here positive terminal and negative terminal. Bleaching powder. In our daily life so many situations we are using that material. Bleaching powder chemical formula is CaOCl2 and chemical name is calcium hypochlorite. Calcium hydroxide react with chlorine gas, then it is converted or formed as a bleaching powder. Just a simple reaction here. Calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice. Calcium hydroxide also called slacked lime. React with chlorine gas and form as a calcium hypochlorite, CaOCl2, bleaching powder and also form the water. This is the preparation of bleaching powder. In our daily life, so many situations we are using that one. A lot of uses are there. Especially it is bleaching in cotton and textile industry. And especially paper factories also we are used for bleaching powder for bleaching process. Next one, bleaching washed cloths in laundry and an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. And one more important point is the purification of water without germs with using of bleaching powder. These are lot of uses in our daily life with using of bleaching powder. Baking soda. Baking soda also called sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Its chemical formula is NaHCO3. Sodium bicarbonate also in our daily life we are using there. Especially sodium bicarbonate prepared with using of one simple test. We are adding of sodium chloride, water, carbon dioxide and ammonia. The combination of the total materials are combined each other. They are formed as a ammonium chloride and sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3. This is the preparation of sodium bicarbonate. And next one, on heating, sodium bicarbonate is decomposed and turned as a washing soda, sodium carbonate. 2NaHCO3 on heated, it is decomposed as a Na2CO3, water and carbon dioxide. This is the decomposition reaction. And in our daily life, sodium bicarbonate can be used in different type of situations. Especially, it is used to making of baking powder. When we are converted baking soda as a baking powder, simple. When we are adding of one tartaric acid, it is a weak acid, to baking soda, then it is converted as a baking powder. Here NaHCO3 plus we are added the weak acid H plus ion, therefore it is converted as a carbon dioxide and water, sodium salt of acid. This is the preparation of baking powder. And next it is acting as a antacids. When we are observing in our digestive system, any problems are we are facing, already in previous class we are learned gas trouble problem. On that time also it is useful to controlling of neutralization process. It is used soda acid for fire extinguishers and also adding of sodium bicarbonate. The food materials are became smooth and spongy. Especially it is used to bakeries. Washing soda. Chemical formula is Na2CO3 10H2O. Chemical name is sodium carbonate. Generally, sodium carbonate we are using formula is Na2CO3. But washing soda point of view, we are written as Na2CO3 10H2O. Here, adding of water molecules to sodium carbonate, then it is converted as a washing soda. Here, two important identifications. One is crystallization, second one is recrystallization. At any one compound, water molecules are present. The water molecules are removing process is called crystallization process. And adding of water molecule to any compound, such process is called recrystallization. Here, recrystallization of sodium carbonate, then it is converted as a washing soda. Just observe it. Na2CO3 plus 10H2O. We are adding 10 water molecules. Then it is converted as a Na2CO3 10H2O. It is called washing soda. In sodium carbonate also in our daily life, so many situations we are using there. Lot of uses are there. Some important uses are, it is used in glass, soap and paper industry for washing purpose or cleaning purpose. And used in manufacture of sodium compound such as borax. And next one, it is used as a cleaning agent for all domestic purpose. In our daily life, so many situations we are using them. And one more important point is, it is used for removing of permanent hardness of the water. These are important uses with using of washing soda in our daily life. In the salt concept, we are learning some different type of salt names and formulas. Just to observe it. Sodium chloride. It's also called as common salt or table salt. Its formula is NaCl. Bleaching powder. Calcium hypochloride. Its chemical name. Its formula is CaOCl2. Baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. Its formula NaHCO3. Washing soda. Sodium carbonate. Chemical formula is Na2CO3 10H2O. Copper sulfate. This is also called blue vitriol. CuSO4 5H2O. Calcium sulfate. Also called gypsum. Its formula is CaSO4 2H2O. POP. Plaster of Paris. Calcium sulfate hemihydrates. Its chemical name. And its formula is CaSO4 of H2O. POP. We short form we are expressed as a POP. Plaster of Paris. Nowadays, everyone we are using the decoration purpose POP. Here, how can they are making the POP? Simple identification. Its chemical formula is CaSO4 of H2O. When gypsum means already we are learned CaSO4 2H2O. Copper sulfate unheated, then it is decomposed and loss of 1.5 water molecule. Then it is converted as a POP. Therefore, CaSO4 2H2O gives rise to CaSO4 of H2O. This is called POP. Then it is separated 1.5 water molecule. This is the preparation of POP. And POP is very useful in our daily life. We are using so many situations. Especially it is used for making of toys, materials for decoration and also making for smooth surfaces. And it is also used in medical department also. Dear students, please watch my videos and share that video to your friends